Right, bikers, been out bike, bugged up. I'm going to show you how I clean my helmet, and if you've got any better ideas then let me know, because today it's bugsy galore. So if I set this up, let's have a look. How does that look? One piece of kitchen roll, heavy duty stuff. All I do is wet it, not saturate it, just wet it like that. Let it soak through, then just carefully unwrap it like so. You need decent quality stuff for this, because that cheap stuff will just drop to bits. And then once you've got your sheet like that, lay it on front of the helmet. And just go around it like that, just pat it on, squeeze all the air down, shove it down there like that carefully. And just cover it all up like that. And then, obviously it's hanging over end of the sink, so everything will drain in there. Stop missing screwing crackers. Leave it. And it's time to get a drink. So what I do, I just leave it for 5 minutes like that. Maybe a bit longer if it's summer and it's really dry. I just leave it to soak in. And what it does, it puts all moisture into flies and all that, what's being dried out with wind, and softens them all again. And then we'll come back in 5 and I'll show you how to get them off very, very, very easily. Right then, bikers. So, probably 5 minutes later this, and you know, if they're baked on bad, them flies, you can leave it a lot longer, but I've left it to soak, and I'll just show you how easy it is to get all these flies off. So, I just carefully wipe it down like that, just like that, just like that. I'm just picking it big bits off. And like I say, it all depends on soak time. The longer you leave it, the easier it comes off. And then I get it down like that. And all any little bits will just wipe straight off because they're all softened. And then when I get to end the helmet like this, I just go one way. I don't scrape the helmet up and down, little stones or anything else like that. I take it one way. So I just grab it like that end, and I go all the way across like that. And I'm like kind of turning it back like that as I'm doing it to lift all crap off with it. As you can see, it's all on there, look at that. And then what I do then is, that could be stones, it could be flies. I never use that piece again, I fold it over and over it again so it's all clean, there's nothing on it. I just lightly run it over like that. Wipe round my lid. No chemicals, no soap. Same across top here. Just to wet it like this. Have a look round it, looks alright. And I'll turn it over again so it's bug free. And then just lightly, just run over like that, take most of the moisture off. All I do then is, this is just a tea towel, I just run it like, same again like that, across front. 1, 2. I'm just taking that moisture off it. There you go. Water, kitchen roll, and that's it. Nothing else. And you can see it is perfectly clear. Now some days, don't get me wrong, if it's heavy bugged I will leave it on for longer, and sometimes I might have to strip our helmet down and clear behind it and things like that. I'll just carefully pick camera up and I'll show you that all bugs have gone close up, and you can see just gone. And the art of doing this is, and the reason why I do it like that is, you never want to force it and rub it. You just let water do work, let it soak in and soften them all up, and it just picks them up and takes everything off as you just work it, and it's simple. None of this spraying, rubbing or anything like that, it's just as easy as that. So, I hope that's a little tip that helps you, and if you've got any tips to let me know what's a better idea or anything like that, then please feel free to share. Till next time, bikers, that's it.